Righto guys, g'day, how you going? Craigo here from Craigouncut. I just sort of make a very quick, like a very quick short video on a modification I did to my Cub Frontier. You know, when you're always putting the slide, your fridge in and out, in and out, in and out, and you cut the wire, and you're in the middle of the bush, and you go bugger. Then you got to get the soldering iron out, and it just becomes a pain in the ass. So what I've done is I've put a cat track in there. So I hope this helps you out. So I'll give you a quick look at what I've done. So I'll turn you around. Cub Frontier 2023 model. Go to the fridge. I'm just packing to go away for a month. So I just thought I'd show you quickly. Now, as you can see, I have got the Anderson plug there. And then I've got the cat track here. So, very simple. When you roll it out, just rolls out with the fridge. So that's pretty much it. I got I think it's 15mm wide here, a metre long, 20mm OD. So I think the OD is 20mm, the ID is 15mm, and it is just fixed down here and fixed there. And with the Cub Frontier, I just had to turn this around, so because it was facing the other way, so I could just put the cable there. So it just slides in and out. It's beautiful, fits perfect. So yeah, I reckon it's great. Saved me a lot of frustration with cutting off the cable a couple of times. So yeah, I like it. So if you need, I'll jump on the internet and I'll have a look and I'll see if I can find the where I bought it from. I think I bought it on eBay. I thought I bought it from eBay, but I think there's a company called KT Spares which sells cable ties and that. I think they sell it. So all you got to do is make up a couple little brackets. I think the whole install took me 20 minutes, half hour maybe. A bit of mucking around just to make sure it all sat right. Me being a bit of a person that likes to make sure it's done right, it took me a little bit longer. So yeah, no, it works really well. So thanks for watching, guys.